Hello traders again, Scott here with another episode of Scotty's Trading. It's a midweek video. I didn't post yesterday. I was very slow and nothing was really happening. Now, I have got another trade on the demo account as well. There are the details, okay? So we're looking at the USDJPY 4-hourly chart. I've got a zoomed out position here to set the context for everyone. This is the indicator. I use the double Bollinger Band alert method, but what I want you to observe here is the trend on the 4-hourly, but the daily as well, recent uptrend as well. So if I do a 4-hourly trade, I actually have a macro scope and I'll look at the 4-hourly, and let's have a look at the weekly. So I'm going to rebound off recent low activity. So we'll go to the 4-hourly again, zoom in, and I'll show you what happened. So I got a sell signal here last night, and what I did was I put the, go back, I'll see, I think there's some recent closes. So what I do, the close is illustrated in the line graph. So I put it, a little bit above that, a little bit of a safety mechanism, daily. I think that's what triggered it, just above that. Alright, so we'll go back to the candles. So yeah, so that triggered. I triggered there, and then really retrace. Now I expected a little bit of this because what will happen is, a general rule, if you get a large engulfing candle like this, you're going to have some retracement because that's an outlier candle where, let's count the candles. I mean, the last biggest one was probably that one, and that's 40 odd or more candles. So that's the next biggest is that, and that's enormous. But that didn't really actually retrace. That was, not a bad little setup. So I got triggered here, and here we are now. So look, that's touched and gone. Oof, that's close to silence. So what I'll do here is my first position is a 1-to-1. So a 1-to-1 means entry minus a stop loss, and it's a buy. Obviously, nice small risk here, 0.5%. Both positions, and that's where my take profit is for the 1-to-1. And then this, we move to break even stop loss once that's hit. Okay, and then a trailing exit is enabled. And look, the USD Singapore will go. Pardon me. So this has been held for a while. So it was triggered on the 15th of December. So this is going to be, it's floundering around still. And it's actually, so there was the high there. So it's slowly creeping up. If we drew a line from the entry, it's very marginally climbing. But again, I won't interfere with this trade. It closes out and loss. It closes out and loss. I stick to my trading rules, and that's that really. Next project will be, I'll be back testing the Aussie dollar daily time frame on Forex Tester 3. I recommend beginning traders, even advanced traders, still use Forex Tester 3 or Forex Tester 2 or whatever platform you like. I always refer to this by Walter Peters and James Kensington, so they sort of know what they're talking about. So I got it because they recommended it. And yeah, so we've got a 10,000 starting balance, and I'll keep you guys updated on how that's going as well. Just a quick update though, everyone, no trades on the live account that we're a signal service with the hamster using Signal Start. So there's the trader there's having a break until the 9th of January. So nothing else is going on, guys. Pairs to watch. Nothing's really happening except the USD yen really fell. The lead balloon after I got in on a buy. So that happened. So got the euro downward pressure. Look, that's interesting. If that can go below and retouch and then go down again, what we call a last kiss is literature that I've learnt. That would be interesting. But I saw some guy put up a buy on the euro. Ambitious. But who knows? I'm not a fundamental trader. I just analyze the charts and do what price action tells me. So normally, if there's a lot of volatility, a lot of wicks, I won't get into that because, for example, here, I look for a bigger signal, and then what I would do is, again, I would have the entry below that. So if I had actually been watching this for a little while, the euro, but if that's pierced out, that would have triggered me because I've actually already drawn in a little bit of line of resistance there. But nah, not interested now. So I can't. I've got 2% on the table now, so I can't get into another pair unless it stops me out. And if that does, I won't take another trade that week. If it all hits some profit and I move stop losses to break even, then yep, we're off to the races and we can get involved in something else. It's flat as a tack. Pound's ugly. It's a dollar. A lot of signals, a lot of half-baked, shitty signals. On the rise a little bit, it got down real low too. Momentum's downward daily. That. So it's going to run out of steam here. Look for an exhaustion sign. I might be interested in that. But other than that, guys, that's it. Have a good week. If you are on holidays from trading, probably a smart call. But I'm just updating you on my situation. Demo account started with 5,000 Australian dollars. So that's where we are. All right. Thank you, guys.